All right, question number 2, which sketch matches the given function? And we have f of x equals 2 times 2 to the x minus 1. I have some notes here on some helpful ways that we can match our equation to a graph, okay? So the first question, does the base indicate growth or decay? Remember, your base is the number that's with your exponent, your variable as an exponent. So this 2 right here, that 2 is my base, okay? And if my value of b is greater than 1, I'm showing growth. If my value of b is between 0 and 1, so it's a fraction that's less than 1 but greater than 0, that's going to be decay. So in this case, since my b value is 2, I'm going to show growth. So if I look at my answer choices, I see here that in A and B, these are both falling. Okay, see how they're falling? So these are both decay. So I would eliminate both of those answer choices. And now I know I'm just looking at the difference between C and D because these both indicate growth. I'm rising from left to right. So the next thing we can do is we can check the y-intercept. So if I look here, these y-intercepts happen to be the same point. Okay, it looks like here that I'm at 0, 1 for both of these. So that's not really going to help me in this situation. So then I'm going to look at choice 3. Look at the asymptote. Is the asymptote somewhere other than the x-axis? And if so, there must be a value added or subtracted at the end of the equation. So if I look here, notice how I have this minus 1 at the end of my function. Okay, this number at the end of our function, remember, that is where the asymptote lies. So this graph, this exponential equation, the asymptote is going to be at y equals -1. So this guy right here, there's my asymptote of y equals -1. So choice D has to match. Now, if there's no number here, like let's just say that this was gone, okay, if there's no number at the end, then your asymptote is always going to be at y equals 0. Okay, so if you have an example where there is no number added or subtracted at the end, then it would look like choice C, where my asymptote is right at the x-axis, okay?